Hey everyone, it's Allie and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be going over the products that I've been enjoying for the month of August. We are now in September. Summer just happened. I don't know. Let's just jump right into it. So if you guys have been following along and if you've been with me with my whole skincare struggle, I would say I've been using a whole bunch of different products here and there. At one point I did go back to Murad and I thought, you know what, it's working. Let me continue on with that. That brings me to my first product. Now this one, I have to be honest, I've only been using for a couple of weeks. It is the Murad InvisiScar Resurfacing Treatment. So I have the box. I'm going to show you guys the claims. It's step 2. So I guess, you know, the first step would be to wash. The second step, this is to treat. And it's part of their acne control line. It dramatically reduces the look of scars, size, depth, and color. So if you haven't been following along, basically I've been breaking out on like my cheeks and stuff like that. And more recently the chin. People say chin is hormonal. I don't know what it is. I'm saying that it's stress because really that's the main thing that's been affecting my life right now. But with my skin complexion, my coloring and things like that, even when the blemish is gone, I'm left with a dark mark for quite a while. So when I saw that, I was like, you know what, why not just try it out? Thankfully, I don't have like scarring, but I do have dark marks, or at least I don't think I have scarring. But ignore the fresh blemishes right now. Obviously, you can't see under makeup, but I had a lot going on. I didn't get a chance to film as much as I wanted to. But I'm kind of glad because honestly, my skin was literally, and I keep saying it, and I hope it's not going to get worse than that, but literally the worst it has ever been, ever in my life. So I picked this up, and like I said, I've just been using it a couple weeks, and even with those couple of weeks, I've noticed a dramatic difference in the look of my skin. Obviously, like I said, I do have a couple of new ones. Yeah, with this, I feel like it definitely helped diminish the dark spots and just kind of resurface everything. The claims, it says velvety smooth resurfacing treatment. It's supposed to fill pitted scars and clinically proven to minimize the look of scar size, depth, and texture and discoloration in 8 weeks. So actually what I wanted to do, let me know if you guys are interested, but like I said, I have been using pretty regularly for like a couple of weeks now. There were a few days that I missed out on it, but I think what I'm gonna do, I might take a picture and use it really regularly for the 8 weeks that it claims to work in and see if there's actually a dramatic difference. I already so far have seen a difference, but maybe I'll do that. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. It does also have BHA and it has purified Centella asiatica and vitamin C. So it helps encourage natural radiance, healthier looking complexion. Now it does say that, it is non-comedogenic, which is really good because again, my skin's sensitive, so it doesn't clog pores. It does say that you may have a little discomfort or tingling type of situation. I did feel a little bit sometimes I did, sometimes I don't, but it wasn't to the point where it significantly bothered me that I felt like I had to stop. So I'm going to continue on with this and let me know if you guys want to come along for the journey. All right, that was long-winded, but the next product also by Murad is their Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF. It's SPF 30 and it has PA+++, whatever that means. But again, I have used their Invisablur, I think, which is a shame because I gave it a second chance and I really like how it makes my skin look. But I personally feel like that makes me break out. But so far, this is a nice SPF that it actually does not break me out. Thank goodness, because I need that skin protection, especially when I use like the AHA, BHA cleansers or the BHA treatment. If you don't know, I didn't know, but when you use products, especially products like that, first of all, you should always be using SPF, you know, but realistically, how many of us actually do? I know I have not. But specifically with those types of products, you are supposed to use sunscreen because otherwise you can get sun damage and things like that. So I have enough going on with my skin. So I've been on a mission to find a good SPF, and this one I do actually really, really like. I like also that it has vitamin C in it, and it has the ginkgo biloba leaf extract, and it helps shield the skin from environmental aggressors. So not only does it have SPF, but it's supposed to like protect your skin from all the bad stuff in the environment too. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel like sticky or anything like that. I love to use this bare face, and I love to use this actually under my makeup, which has been hard for me because normally I don't like using sunscreen under foundation, which you should, like in your moisturizer and stuff like that. But I don't know. I feel like this is nice kind of because I feel like it's kind of an all-in-one. You get that moisture, you get that protection, and it's lightweight, doesn't break me out. I just really like this a lot. So the next thing that I have is an eyeshadow primer. I did make a video about this. I don't think I mentioned this in my last favorites video because I think I made the video after that. But anyway, it is the Pretty Vulgar, the Uncaged eyeshadow primer. Now, if I have talked about this, forgive me, but I'm going to talk about it again because I really, really do love this primer. I feel like a little bit goes a long way. I won't ramble on too much about it. If you want to take a look, I made a video. I'll leave the link down below. But basically, it kind of, I feel like it's like glue for my shadow. I feel like it really helps the shadow stick onto the lid. It does have a little bit of that tacky texture, but not to the point where it's interfering with my eyelids or anything like that. But yes, I really, really like this. This was a nice little surprise for me, and I'm still loving this. This is like my go-to when I want my shadows to really last and really look good. I think I may have mentioned this in the past as well, but I'm going to mention it again. Just a quick little mention. This is by Elemis. It is their Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. First of all, because my skin has been a hot mess, when it was super irritated, I did put this. I was like, you know what? It says calm. Maybe that'll calm my skin down. I don't know. It's supposed to hydrate your skin. Yeah, it's supposed to calm your skin down, which I felt like it actually did. It felt like really refreshing on my skin. They call it a hydration juice, but it's basically just to like calm your skin down and to hydrate your skin. So this has helped me a lot when my skin was like almost like inflamed. It was really bad. I'm kind of glad that you guys didn't see it, but I've used a few Elemis products and I really, really like them. Oh, I always say like it's not a lot, but it ends up being a lot. Next we have by Alamar Cosmetics. You know that I love this brand. I swear I'm like not sponsored, although if you see this, I wouldn't mind being sponsored by you guys. You guys are great. This is the Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. It is infused with hyaluronic acid, which I really, really like because a lot of times, especially with powders, I don't know, maybe it's like a mental thing. But when you put stuff on your face, I just feel like, okay, we're clogging. We're not doing anything for the skin. But the fact that these are powders and it has hyaluronic acid in there, I don't know, it makes me feel a little bit better about what I'm doing to my skin because I know that I'm going to be retaining a little moisture and my skin needs that. So I have it in medium tan. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love this. The I'm Woke brightener, I see like an immediate difference when I use this and I like set my under eye. It does. It makes me feel woken up. Like I'm awake, I'm ready. You won't know that I only got 4 hours of sleep type of thing, and it sets the concealer beautifully. And the bronzer is Soltera right here in the middle. I love this bronzer so much, and I also love the brushes. Oh, I should have mentioned that. I'm gonna do a quick mention now. With that, I'm throwing in these brushes. Don't mind, my daughters were playing with them. But, okay, so this brush, it's the brightening brush that my daughter decided to put pink in. But the shape of this is so perfect for the under eye. I'm gonna try not to get any pink on there. But just tapping that and putting that under, it's like perfection. This is their bronzer brush that, again, I love using this bronzer. I feel like it gives such a nice amount of warmth to the skin, like that kind of, you know, J-Lo, sun-kissed type of thing that everyone goes for. And the brush is pretty cool. It's pretty densely packed, which at first I wasn't sure about. It kind of has like ridges too. I don't know if that's just my brush or if that's just how it is, but I do really like this guy, and they're so soft. Really, really nice. Next is the deepener, or I guess like the contour type of thing. And this is Always Summer. For me personally, I do feel like it's like a little bit warm, so I like to use that on like my cheek contours, my forehead. but I don't always like to use it on my nose. Sometimes I do, and then I end up like kind of toning it down, or I'll use a bronzer for that. It depends. Like if I'm doing an intense contour, I don't like using this for that, but 9 times out of 10, I'm not doing an intense contour. I'm just doing like a little, oh, that was the pink one. Okay. 9 times out of 10, I'm just doing like a quick little whatever. And I use a complexion brush for this. Again, super soft. I like that it's angled. At first, I wasn't sure, but honestly, I feel like this helps so that I get a nice contour without like a harsh line, which I don't know, maybe I do have a harsh line. I'm going to take this from Rich Lux. If you're going to judge me kindly. But anyways, I like it. Again, super soft on the skin. Love this palette. Love that it actually comes with like a little mirror and it has hyaluronic acid, and I love the company. Lastly, I'm going to talk about a little bit of hair care. So I have mentioned my kind of experience and things like that with hard water lately. I feel like it has affected my hair big time. I also think it may have affected my skin, so maybe that's why my skin is a hot mess, but I'm gonna stop rambling about that. But anyways, so this is the Malibu Sea Hard Water Wellness Shampoo and Conditioner. I have used their, flip that over. I have used their treatment. It comes in like a little powder pack. I do like that a lot as well, but I haven't used like the shampoo and conditioner until more recently, and I honestly see such a huge difference. I use this like weekly when I can, or when I remember, or when it's in my shower, but I really noticed such a big difference. Malibu Sea is great. They have so many different treatments, especially like for professionals. If you're a professional out there, you know what I'm talking about, and if you don't, you should, because they have awesome treatments that you can do, like pre-color and things like that. It'll make your life so much easier. It's a little bit of an extra step, but honestly, it'll save you so much headache in the end. So again, if you're a professional, take a look at Malibu Sea for your color treatments and things like that, the pre-treatments. But anyways, I'm getting off topic. The hard water wellness, I love. I feel like it gets all those like metals and deposits out of my hair, but it doesn't dry my hair out, which is really nice. So it says to gently and naturally cleanse away hard water minerals without the use of undesired chemicals in this wellness formula of fruit extracts and plant proteins that restore radiant shine and vibrant color. And it's true. Honestly, I feel like my hair feels so good after using this. So I don't feel like my hair feels stripped or dry or brittle or anything like that. I feel like it actually feels better. I feel like my color looks better when I use this, and I feel like also even the products, especially since I've been wearing my hair curly, I feel like the products just work better with my hair instead of kind of like sitting on top and just not working right. I feel like my hair really absorbs the products better after using this. So this, you get like a deep clean, but it doesn't dry out your hair. But when you put the conditioner, you still get that moisture and like that slickness, and you just know it's working. Okay, it also is paraben-free, gluten-free, vegan. Did I say that already? Either way, but yes, I really love this. Highly recommend. If you want to take a look at the whole hard water thing, be my guest. If you want to learn more about it and you want me to put more content out there on that, let me know. I'd be more than happy to do so. See how it affects your hair, the overall health of your hair color, your curls, your wave pattern. All these things can be affected by hard water. So I highly suggest looking into that. And if so, using this even just like weekly to give a little refresher to your hair. But yes. Okay, that does it. Let me know what products you've been liking for August. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. Stay happy, and I'll see you in my next video.